everybody! We're here in Rome, Italy and preparing for our dinner gala. Okay, with me is one of my business partners, Kathy, also from Sweden. But you know, we are thankful dahil sa Sweden hindi kami nagkikita. So, salamat sa business, it made our world smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are. Tanungin natin si Kathy kung ano yung kanyang love about the business. Anong na-enjoy niya? What does she really love about this digital business?
Okay, first of all, what I love is that finally I have been able to meet Anne.
Yes!
And sa Rome pa, di ba? Sa Rome, Italy. So, I'm really loving it. It's a pleasure to meet you finally.
Yes.
We're just talking before virtually, but finally, it's in person. And yeah, going back to your question, what I love about this business is the fact that I'm preparing for my early retirement because I want to stop to be an employee.
Yes.
So that's what I love about this business. Preparing my golden days, you know.
Yes.
So
Okay.
yeah, apart from being, from socializing with other and meeting other business partners from all over the world.
Yes.
So that's some of what I love about this business.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Kathy.
You're
And you know what?
Yeah.
Interviewin pa natin siya very soon sa ating mga Go Live.
Yes,
So,
sure,
abangan
sure.
niyo po. So, sa
Yeah.
mga mommies dyan, sa mga single parents or full-time
Expats.
parents, yes, expats,
Expats.
or even if you're a busy person or parent. So,
Yeah.
here is Mentor Kathy. Just directly message her and we are here for you. Okay, see you next time, everybody. Take care and God bless.
Bye.
Mwah.